choose to have a good day, then it'll be a good day. I'm having a good morning. I hope you're having a good morning too. If not, it's not too late to turn it around and make it a good morning, okay? Everything is up to you. Everything is mindset. If you choose to be positive, if you choose to have a good day, then it'll be a good day. And that's just how you have to look at things in life. Again, I'm going to take y'all along for another work day. And today is a real life day. You know, I just dropped the kids off to school. I'm really behind in my schoolwork, so I'm trying to squeeze in the time where I can to kind of catch myself back up. I do online classes. My major is business administration. Look, don't give me the line. It's either business administration or business management and accounting. I have about 2 years to complete that. So yeah, let's go. Stop rambling. Hey.
You want the usual?
Yeah, you can do the double shot.
Oh no,
I like
we got you hooked on the double shot now. It's a that's it for you? Mm-hmm. All right, $5.56 please.
Hey you guys, so I just wanted to come on and quickly just kind of go over what I do in a day. Like it's a very simple job. All you doing is locating items, scanning them, and putting them in the correct tote. And the TC is going to tell you everything. So the device that I'm holding in my hand is called a TC. It tells you where the item is, what aisle it's on, what section it's in, and also the number associated with that item. So there's no reason not to find anything unless, no shade, unless they're stalkers from the night before or whenever the items were stocked, wasn't stocked in the correct place, or we're out of stock. If you can do those things, just locating the item, scanning the item, scanning the correct tote to go to, it tells you everything and everywhere it goes. As long as you can pay attention and follow directions, this is the easiest job for you. No lie, anybody can do it. I'm 34 and there are people still in high school doing this job. There are people my age doing this job. There are even people older than me and elderly doing this job. That's how easy it is. Like, you can't go wrong. Okay, so I wanted to quickly apologize for the audio. Real life moment while I'm recording. I am a mother of 3. I am a fur mom, and I love nature, outside, gardening, all the things. So this is a real life recording moment. But I just wanted to say, like, if you're enjoying the videos, if you're enjoying the vibes, like, go ahead and hit that like button. It doesn't take anything just to like a video. If you really enjoying the vibes and you like, oh, that's my girl, go ahead and hit me a comment. Let's talk, let's chat. And if you really, really, really about that life and you like, okay, I want to join the club, I want to be a butterfly, that's when you subscribe. But for now, please hit that like button. Please. I love y'all. Alright, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Enjoy the video.
I got a call from my stepmom that my father had a stroke, and like anyone else, I was in shock. So I ended up leaving early and going home because it was just too much to think about and try to process. So I went home for the day, and me and my sister decided that we were going to drive to Savannah, which was about a 4-hour drive from Dallas, and we were going to go and see him. My dad was in good spirits. When he saw us, it made him tear up and cry, and of course we cried too. Um, it's hard to see someone you love in such a state where they're just helpless and you want to help them, but you can't, and it's hard. They ended up moving him into another room because he was preparing to be discharged to go to rehab. So me and my sister just kind of explored, I'm assuming downtown Savannah. I never been here before. I know Savannah has a lot of rich history. It's very famous, so I would definitely like to go back.
You sit right here, Keegan. You want to go